Hello guys, welcome to Investment Tech YouTube channel. Today I have a video how to fix it your kitchen disposable machine or motor. So no power, humming noise. So let's see how we can fix it. First you have to make sure nothing inside any metal part or anything is stuck. Make sure with that. Then second step, you go under right here. So I have a little bit complicated electrical plug-in system, so maybe you don't have that like complicated one, so maybe you have a normally plug-in. So if you don't know anything about electrical wiring system, don't open like that, don't mess up with that. So if you have a normal plug-in connector, you can unplug and put it back, hopefully make work again properly. Hopefully you don't have like that power connector for your disposable. I don't see that anything wrong with that. I don't want to mess up with that. Alright guys, next step is you have to check you out your circuit break, control panel as a main board. So I have right here kitchen disposable right here. You have to make sure anything turn off, then put it back again. I think that's mine right here. So nothing wrong with that, so everything perfect and everything on position. So I put it back. Alright guys, you check your circuit break panel and no mess up with that. Then you unplug your power cord and put it back. One more thing, so you can see mine. So I already taped it on that the pipe with that key. It's a key wrench tool. Okay, if you don't have any major issue with your disposable machine, so you can easy fixing that with this key tool with less than 3 minutes. So I show you guys. Okay guys, one more thing. Before you use this key tool, so you can see under right here the red button. You can that's a reset button. You can press one time, then you can figure out is it work or not. Then you can go next step. Now you can see properly there's a little hole right here in the middle. Then put in your key inside and you can spin both sides, left and right. Then little bit losing that spin motor. When you do like that a couple times, then easily working. Maybe it doesn't, that means your disposable machine totally burn. Then you have to replace your disposable machine. Follow steps and working your disposable machine properly. Then one more thing, you have to use baking soda and vinegar. So usually I'm using that every 2 weeks. So put that baking soda powder, maybe 2 spoon, 3 spoon. Then using vinegar, white vinegar, so you can get Walmart or any stores, and keep it let it 5 minutes. Then everything clean nicely. So oily and greasy thing, cleaning out, keep it like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Then rinse it out. You're good for your disposable machine. So very important, you have to especially keeping your under disposable machine, so everything clean, nice clean. Then anything happen, you can fix it easily. And so if you figure out your machine is doesn't work any step, then you can remove that part right here, so you don't need any tool. And two bolts are right here. Take it off. And one more thing right here, you can see that little metal hook, and both sides, one hook right here, one hook right here. You can spin with that screwdriver or anything. You can take it out whole machine and replace it. Right guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully you can fix it less than 3 minutes. Thank you.